Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on how to both create and edit your arts provider profiles as well as add programs to the database. So first you're going to start off by going to database.hartfordperforms.org and you're going to scroll down to the bottom and log in with the same email address and password you used to create an account. So once you log in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. From there, you can see all of your programs for the current year, as well as you have access to your arts provider profile. So the first thing you'll notice is that you don't have an image. To upload one, you're going to click Choose File, then select the image you want that is stored on your computer, and then you're going to click Upload. So once you have your picture established, you can then go into Edit Profile to create the rest of your profile. So on the right side is your payment information. That doesn't go on your profile page, but we use that information to make sure that your checks are mailed to the correct place. So in the event that your arts provider name or perhaps your first and last name that is listed in your display is different from where you would like your checks to be sent, that's where you would record that information. So the information that will be on your display page is your arts provider name, as well as your bio and any links you have to any social media that you would like to share. So in your bio, we ask that you share your mission for your organization or your goals that you seek to achieve, and perhaps a background on where you're from and why you are qualified to teach your given art form. If you have a website, you can add it into your profile page. So I'm going to use this website here. And if you have any YouTube videos that you would like to put on display that perhaps give a better description of your organization or what you do, you can also add that in here. So when you're done, you're going to hit Save User Data, and make sure you get this little window that pops up to show confirmation that your page has actually been saved. If you don't get this window, click it again and make sure you get that confirmation window. So then you want to click Dashboard. And now when you click your user image, that should bring you to your profile page. So now I see my profile image as well as my link to my YouTube video that I can play. I should see my bio. I should see the grade levels I serve, my art form, my curriculum, my program format, and once you add programs to the database, they'll all be listed here as well. So here's that link to that website that I added in. And when I click here, I can see that this is a broken link. So for anyone who is returning to our database and perhaps has a broken link or they have a new website they've switched to, this is how you would change that. So once again, you're going to hit Dashboard. You're going to click your profile image. You're going to hit Edit User. And when you scroll down, you can get rid of that broken link and type in a new one. So let's just do Google. Again, we're going to hit Save and make sure you get that confirmation window. And now when I go back to my dashboard to view my profile, I should have this new link that works when I click this, and it does. So now we're going to go and focus on how to add a program. So we're going to click up here where it says Add Program. And it's very important that you make sure you are set to the correct year. So for our new arts providers, you are looking to add programs into the 2018-2019 school year. So you're going to hit 2018-2019, enter your program name. So let's say all about plants. And you're going to proceed to fill out the rest of this application for the same way you filled out your application when you're submitting them to Emily. So mark off your grade areas, your grade levels, your art form, and your program costs. So once you've gone through all 5 pages, you're going to hit Save Program. Again, make sure you get that confirmation window, and then you're going to click OK. So when I go back to my dashboard, I can see that because we are currently in the 2017 to 2018 school year, that's what's automatically displaying. If I'm trying to find the program I just made, I won't see it because I'm in the wrong year. So I need to change this. I have to hit 2018 to 2019, and then I have to select Apply Filters. Once I've done that, I'll be redirected to my new dashboard, and I should see my new program in my Drafted Program section. I'm simply going to click on my program, and then I'm going to click Edit to make changes such as add pictures and fix anything that I may have incorrectly recorded previously. So here's where I'll upload one image. So this is the image that will be displayed when a teacher is looking at the entire list of programs that are being offered. Think of this as your cover image, the one you want to display that's going to entice people to click on this program to learn more about it. So I'm going to choose this picture with a bunch of plants. I feel like it's very welcoming. I'm going to hit Upload Picture. And now I have this picture here. So once a teacher clicks on your program, then they can see a bunch of other pictures in a slideshow format. If you have more pictures, you would simply do the same thing. So click Choose File, hit Upload, and upload. I believe you can upload up to 6 images that will play automatically rotating, as well as being on display with that original profile image. So once you're done with everything, you're going to select Submit for Review and hit Apply. This is the final step you'll do. So if you're still working on it, you're still making changes, you're going to keep it, you're just going to hit Save Only and hit Apply. But if you're ready for it to be submitted for review, then you're going to hit click that drop down and hit Apply. Again, confirmation window should appear. If it doesn't, click it again until it does. So now, again, like I said, you're going to be automatically redirected to this current school year, change your school year. So now when you look at your dashboard, you should see that you have, this is no longer in your draft section, it is now in your programs waiting for approval.